back in the flesh of my 6X. White tee, button up sleeves, rolled up, fitting me nicely.
Oh yes, folks. Ingestion Engine straight out the dumpster. Back with another food challenge. Let's get into this.
What do we got?
Hi! Orange juice.
What's going on, foodie fam? Today I got a chug off with salty. We're gonna do a little rhodie sodie challenge. Right here we got a mixture of fridge cold and ice cold. I'll call it ice cold. And let's get a little close up. This is what is it, vitamin water? Never tried it before. I always like to try new things on the channel. So today we're devouring 44 ounces of Fry's goodness. Anything to add?
Dude, got some DP.
Okay.
44 ounces. Beautiful. It's about lukewarm, honestly. Kind of gross.
Yeah, that's not
Yeah,
very good.
but get a minute on the clock.
Minute on
We got a minute on the clock.
Oh, let's
Gotta get the clock.
Let's get 2 minutes.
2.
Just in case.
Good, yeah, that's oh, it's already going.
Oh shit.
It's already going.
Oh shit.
Oh,
All right.
And
Hold on. Let's click real quick.
Okay.
As soon as I press start.
Go. It's got past 2 minutes. Just go.
3, 2.
Go. This is so bad. It's so cold. Ah. Oh, there's so much. I'm like halfway.
Oh, I'm hurt. Ice choke.
Told you, shouldn't have gone ice. Shouldn't have gone ice. Rookie mistake. Minute 15. That shit was not busting.
I was hurting. I'm hurt so bad. What's going on, foodie fam? We're back with the chug recap real quick. Here's the rhodie sodie. And down in approximately minute 9. So your boy took home the gold, obviously. And yeah, as you can see, it was very fridge cold. But Ingestion never backstabs from competition, never shies away. But yo, tell a friend, Ingestion is back again. And yo, beat Chug at 1,000 subscribers. Peace.